morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Okay, this is fourth C. Fourth C. This is class from.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Open your
morning, ma'am.
cameras. Open your cameras quickly. Cameras should be on. You know very well, and I don't like repeating the things also again and again. अब अगर मैंने देख लिया किसी का कैमरा बहुत अच्छे से बेइज्जती करूंगी बेटा, ठीक है? तो नहीं चाहते हो your insult will be done. Please keep your cameras on. अगर नहीं चाहते हो कि तुम्हारी insult हो, कनव change your name. कनव change your name. अगर नहीं चाहते हो कि आपकी insult हो, okay? So you just please open your camera yourself. वरना बहुत अच्छे से insult करने वाले हो पूरे class के सामने. I don't like those people who sit without cameras. It's better not to attend the class than to switch off your cameras. Okay, let's start the next question. What we were doing. Let me check what we were doing. Today we have to start subtraction, I suppose, right?
Yes,
Word
ma'am.
problems हमने कर लिए थे. Today I have to start the. Have I told you about the subtractions? Have I told you something about subtraction yet till now? बताया था
Ma'am,
subtraction.
Ma'am, subtraction fact.
What subtraction facts?
Ma'am, subtraction fact.
Subtraction facts I told you. Okay, very good. So let's start the next question. Wait a minute. So we will start subtraction simply. Okay, take out your maths pen notebook.
No, ma'am, you have not told us subtraction facts.
Samad, are you sure, Biche, that I have not told you this subtraction facts? Because so they are, if they are saying that बेटा बोला नहीं बताया था subtraction facts समझ zero add करते हैं तो same number मिलेगा, one minus करेंगे you will get the predecessor. Have I told you? बताया था समर, याद करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 2.2 we have to start exercise. Take out your maths pen notebook, a new page. We will start the subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers, and you know very well I keep on asking the questions with you. है ना? I told you that I'll keep on asking you the questions in between. That will be the oral questions and from the previous chapters as well as the chapters which may come now. Okay, wait a minute. Next one. Class 4th maths. Okay. Class 3 maths. 4th reasoning, 7th reasoning. Chalo, let's start. Open your maths pen notebook, a new page in your maths pen notebook. Quickly take it out.
Ma'am, which exercise we do?
अभी बता रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा वेट करो. Let me write it, okay? Take out maths pen notebook. Oh. It will be based on a subtraction of 5-digit number. Maths, fair, notebook, new page. Maths pen notebook on a new page. You start. Okay. Write exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. ठीक है. Write question 1. Subtract the following. Question B. Sorry. Question B. Question A is given in book and that will be a homework for the show. Now write question B. Find the sum of following numbers. Find the sum of following numbers. Huh? Some? Wait. We are doing the. Sorry. We are not doing exercise. मैंने वो धोखे से निकाल दिया. Sorry बेटा. It's 2.6. बता नहीं रहे हो मैम 2.2 हो गई है. हैं? Because I'm confused in third class and fourth class. They are just doing addition. They are doing this exercise. 0.2 वाली कर रहे हैं वो लोग. Find the difference of the following. बस. Find the difference of the following. Okay. Now divide your whole page into 4 equal parts like this. Oh. Divide your page like this into 4 equal parts. Write question 1. Wait a minute. And I keep on asking you some questions in between. Okay, just give me some this question, 4 questions by the time you solve it. And I'll ask you some questions in between and keep your cameras on. You know very well I don't like your cameras to be switched off. Right? So keep your cameras on during the whole time. Right, question 1 is 24,000. Difference means what? What do you mean by difference?
Answer of subtraction.
Ma'am, the answer of subtraction. Ma'am, the answer of subtraction.
Very good. Question 2 is 84, 500 and 49,627. You have to find the difference between them. Actually, difference का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर आप इंग्लिश में समझोगे, what is the meaning of difference? क्या मतलब होता है difference का?
Ma'am.
अलग होना.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो difference means ये इससे कितना अलग है, कितना different है. That means ये इससे कितना अलग है. You have to tell. 93,115 and 87,787. Just do it quickly. These are the questions which you have to do. Quick. This is class 4th C, right? Okay, let me.
Yes, ma'am. Chalo. Do not send the answers, okay? It will take a lot of time and I know everyone knows how to solve this. A question I can do it for you. Like I can just tell you how to subtract it. Beta, put some gap in between. 24,000, 21,999. If you want to put the commas in the while solving, you can put it. If you don't want to put the comma, जो आपको comfortable लगता है आप उसमें करना. आपको comma के साथ comfortable लगता है तो आप comma के साथ करो. अगर आपको बिना comma के साथ comfortable लगता है, then do it without commas. Okay. Now see here. 10. Now 0 minus 9 is not possible. So this 0 will ask this 0, give me a 1. But this 0 is already 0. So this 0 will ask this 0. This is already 0. This 0 will ask this 4. This 4 will become 3 and give this to 1. तो ये 10 बन जाएगा. फिर इससे ये 1 दे देगा, ये 9 बन जाएगा, ये 10. Then it will give this 0, 1 and will become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And it itself become 9, ये 9 बन जाएगा. 9 minus 9 is 9 minus 9 is
Ma'am,
Zero.
Ma'am, 0.
very good.
0.
What is 9 again? 9 here it will be 9. 9 minus 9 again is
0.
0.
Ma'am,
Yes.
0.
Ma'am, 0.
Zero.
Yeah, ma'am, 0. 3 minus 1 is
3.
3
Ma'am,
minus 1 is
2.
okay.
2.
And 2 minus 2 is 0.
0.
Zero.
These are the, this is the answer, 2001. So you can do one thing, make a box and write over there what is the correct answer. What is the difference between the following? You just make a more box over here and just write 2001 like this. But it is coming 2001. Oh. Okay, now do the answers, rest of the answers yourself.
Ma'am, I don't have enough space to draw the another box.
So बेटा कहीं पर भी लिख लो, इतनी क्यों नहीं स्पेस होगी? इट्स बिग पेज, 4 पार्ट्स में तो डिवाइड करा है.
Ma'am, I doesn't have the space, so can I draw the box?
What? Just Karan?
Ma'am, I didn't have a space, so can I draw the box under the answer?
You can draw the box anywhere, wherever you feel like. This is exercise 2.6 now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Open your camera first. I will not allow you to speak until your camera is on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is a 24,000 and मैम एंड वगैरह जो ऊपर है उसको हमें
Speak
लिखना
in
है.
English. Speak in English.
मैम 24,000 and 2.
Yes, obviously you have to write it. Yes, it is compulsory to write it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done my word.
Okay, Ashari. Very good. All right, now. Okay, here's the book. Do you know Roman numbers? How many of you know about the Roman numbers?
Yes, ma'am, we know Roman numbers.
Okay,
Ma'am, I have
Mokshit. Mokshit. Stop everyone. Mokshit. How do you write 9 in Roman numbers? How do you write?
Ma'am,
Varshita, your name is Mokshit. I don't know that you changed your name to Mokshit. मैंने मोक्षित से पूछा बेटा, पूरा क्लास जरा ध्यान से सुना करो. हाँ मोक्षित बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, what?
How do you write 9 in Roman numbers?
Ma'am, first one I and X.
Very good. IX. And beta, when I ask some question to anyone, please listen to the name carefully कि मैंने किसका name लिया. Because you're not in a habit, you're not at all a good listener. You should be a good listener. You should listen to me what I am saying. Instead of listening, you keep on your mics on every time. Everyone in some of the students in the class, they keep their mics on and they keep on speaking. Better listen to me at least what I'm saying. मैंने बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में बोला था मोक्षित they are not listening. Everybody started shouting. These are online classes. Have some manners. This is not sitting if you're not sitting in your class, how would I listen to each and every one of you if you'll keep on shouting? Just keep a hold on yourself. Do it quickly, everyone. Atharv Gupta, Parmeet, Amoli, Shaurya Tyagi, Shobhit Gupta, you are looking very beautiful. क्या आप इस क्लास को छोड़ के जा सकते हैं? Because your cameras are not on. शोभित गुप्ता हमेशा कैमरा ऑफ रहता है. Now what about this Kunal Patel? Your camera should be on every time. मैंने कहा था बेटा, I'm not going to spare those who are not switching on their cameras. नमन खंडेलवाल, what about you? स्क्रीन कैसे ब्लैक कर रखी है ये? क्या रख दिया कैमरे के आगे? I want to see each and everyone doing the work. Vamika, what you are doing? Why are you not doing the work, Vamika? I want to see each and every one of you doing the work.
Ma'am, I am done.
Okay, Kada. Naman Khandelwal, open your camera.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right, beta. शौर्य तागी, क्या हुआ? बोर हो रहे हो?
No, ma'am.
चलो, हो गया ना वर्क? अभी मैं तुम्हें एक बात देती हूँ. Wait a minute. All of you, do you know what is radius? Anyone who know what is the radius? Raise your hands in the camera. Do not keep on shouting. Mic on करके shout मत करने लगना, okay? What do you mean by radius? Any one of you know? Okay, Yashmit knows. Yashmit, yes, tell. What is the radius, Yashmit?
The radius is the half of diameter.
Okay, then what is diameter? Then what? भव्य जब तक नाम नहीं लूंगी ना, माइक ऑन नहीं करना है. बता दिया मैंने तुमको.
In a circle, the half part, the full part, if we will measure, so the line which come is called diameter and half of it is called radius.
चलो, okay. Some of the things you know. चलो, भव्य, you tell me what is it?
Half of the circle.
Half of the circle. Circle का half diameter कहलाता है? हैं?
Sorry, diameter is the area of a circle.
Area of a circle? No.
Ma'am, I am done.
Yashmit, switch off your mic now. Your chance is over. हाँ भव्य, बताओ. सोचो, चलो. शौर्य, by the time you tell.
Ma'am, the straight line from the center of a circle or
और ये
sphere
आगे
is
पीछे
known
कैसे
as
हो रहे हो?
radius.
आगे पीछे कैसे हो रहे हो? है? You can sit straight and then you can tell.
Ma'am, radius is half of diameter.
तो डायमीटर क्या होता है? होता क्या है? रेडियस और डायमीटर ये पूछ रही थी. वेरी गुड शौर्य, एक्सीलेंट.
Ma'am, can I tell?
बस बेटा थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे करोगे. Okay, Atharv Gupta, you tell.
Ma'am, diameter is the half of a circle.
Okay, diameter is half of a circle.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Moksha, don't speak like that in between.
And we have to make a line where a scale, where the 3 or 2 there, where a number is written.
Okay, Ashray, what you want to tell? Wrong, Athar Gupta. This is wrong
Ma'am, can I
answer.
tell?
Wait a minute, Ashray, you want to tell? Ashray was raising his hand.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, you want to tell? You were raising your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, why?
Ma'am, the half of the diameter is called radius.
बेटा मुझे ये मत बताना half of diameter is radius. I want to know what is diameter and what is a radius.
Ma'am, can I tell what is diameter?
Yes, Kanav, you tell.
Ma'am, a straight line that goes from one side to the other of
No.
a circle passing through the center is called
Okay.
diameter.
You are telling about diameter. Very good, Kanav. This is the correct statement.
And the
Ashok.
line, ma'am,
Hmm.
the line of the circle
No.
goes from.
No, Bhavya.
Goes from this.
नहीं. Very good, Shaurya and Kanav, who told the answers correctly. Actually, बेटा क्या होता है जब हम सर्कल बनाते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक सेंटर होता है उसका, सर्कल का एक सेंटर होता है, बिल्कुल बीच में होता है जहाँ सर्कल, जहाँ से ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, वहां पे से जो हमारा सर्कल की बाउंड्री होती है, सेंटर से जो सर्कल की बाउंड्री होती है वो कहलाती है रेडियस. सर्कल के जो सेंटर होता है उसकी जो बाउंड्री होती है, ओके, लाइक दिस. वेट अ मिनट, जस्ट लुक हियर. ये एक ड्रॉ और कुछ नहीं करना है, मैं आपको एक जनरल नॉलेज दे रही हूँ in maths, because since you are in C section, so you should know these things. These are the very basic things. This is the center of the circle. What is this? This is the center of the circle with the center name O. With the center name O. ये center है. अब center या boundary क्या है? ये green line, if you can see, this is the boundary of the circle. अब center जो है, center से अगर हम कोई straight line, wait a minute. जब हम सेंटर से कोई लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सेंटर. दिस इज द सेंटर. सेंटर से कोई स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे टू द बाउंड्री. दिस इज नोन एज रेडियस. और वन बाउंड्री से दूसरी, जैसे कनव ने डायमीटर का एग्जांपल दिया, बिल्कुल ठीक बोला उसने बोला है एक बाउंड्री ये है, एक बाउंड्री ये है. दीज आर द टू बाउंड्रीज. व्हेन वी एक्सटेंड दिस लाइन फ्रॉम वन बाउंड्री गेट्स जा रही है wrong way. If we extend this line from one boundary to another and it is passing through the center, और center से भी पास कर रही है, तो ये क्या बन जाती है? डायमीटर. अब इस डायमीटर को अगर आप टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करोगे तो इधर एक रेडियस आ रहा है, इधर एक रेडियस आ रहा है, तो टू टाइम्स ऑफ रेडियस इज डायमीटर. अंडरस्टूड? कनव, कहाँ से पता है बेटा आपको? How do you know that? You told by you what?
Ma'am, you told this in third class.
In third class, you remember that? Wow, very nice. And Shaurya, how do you remember it? Shaurya को तो सब कुछ पता है ना?
Ma'am, you
Shaurya?
also told this in third class too.
अच्छा, शौर्य को तो वैसे भी सब कुछ पता है ना? क्यों शौर्य? ऑलरेडी सब कुछ जानते हो. चलो, let us start the next question. I think everyone has done it. Done everyone? Yes, just Karan, you want to say something?
No, ma'am, I am seeing.
Just Karan, you want to say something, बच्चे?
Ma'am, I am only saying that I have done the work.
I have?
Ma'am, I have done the work.
Okay, you have done the work. Everyone, I suppose everyone has done the work. Okay, now I'm going to show you the answers. Please check the answers yourself. Okay, so I'm going to show you the answers because it is very easy ones. How many of you have not done the work? Raise your hands. How many of you have not done the work? Raise your hands. Okay, 2 participants have raised their hands. Let me see who are they. Those who have not done their work. भव्य जल्दी करो. रेडियस में लग गए हो तुम रे? सर्कल में गोल गोल घूम रहे हो अभी तक. क्यों सर भव्य? हाँ भव्य? Are you inside a circle? Bhavya, are you able to hear me?
No.
हैं? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था? You should respond when I'm calling you.
I'm saying no.
No. Do it quickly, जल्दी से complete it. Ashray? हाँ.
I was telling the same thing of diameter.
नहीं बेटा, आप डायमीटर का ये बता रहे थे 2 टाइम्स रेडियस होता है. आप ये बता रहे हैं हाफ ऑफ अ सर्कल होता है. हाफ ऑफ अ सर्कल नहीं होता है. हाफ ऑफ अ सर्कल तो सेमी सर्कल होता है.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
ma'am, it divides
it divides the circle into
the
two parts. वो तो ठीक है,
diameter.
ठीक है, okay. Diameter divides a circle in two parts. ठीक है, correct. But I was asking you what is radius also. And you were saying about something about the area also,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Area नहीं होता उसमें diameter में. Diameter is a line. Okay, let me tell you the answers of this one. Mhm. Okay, the answers are here. You can check the answers from here. Check your answers quickly.
Ma'am, my answers are correct.
All
Ma'am,
right.
my answer is correct.
Which is the class 3B? Okay, 3A, 3B.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is correct. Answers are correct.
नहीं भी होगा तो ठीक करके बोल दोगे, है ना? My answers are correct. Okay, I'll share the answers on the WhatsApp also. Now we will start the next exercise. This is class 4th AC, right? Let me share the answer on the D group. AD. Okay. Now let's start the next question. I've already shared the answers on the D group. Okay. So let us start the next question. The next exercise. This we have not done, just complete it. Okay. So the next exercise is based on subtraction and addition ka relationship. Let's see one thing. Look here, everyone now. Look here, open your cameras. It is very much compulsory to switch on your cameras. Do not switch them on. Keep your cameras on. Okay. If I say, what is 3 plus 2? What is 3 plus 2? What is 3 plus 2? What is 3?
5.
5. But if I say 5 minus 3, then what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 2.
If I say 3 plus 2, it is 5. And 5 minus 3, it is 2. Or if I say 5 minus 2, then it is what? 3.
Ma'am, 3.
Can you see the
Ma'am.
difference?
Ma'am, 3.
Can you see the difference here and here? Can you कुछ similarity है यहाँ और यहाँ पर?
Ma'am, excuse me, can I tell?
Yes.
The first there is plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, and in the subtraction 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and in the next subtraction there is given 5 minus 2 is equal to 3.
हाँ तो ये तो दिया हुआ ही है.
Ma'am, may I go
ये
to
तो सबको
washroom?
पता है बेटा.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am,
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 can I
in these-
answer?
ma'am, in both subtractions they have changed the place.
चलो अच्छा. Okay. Now let me speak. Okay. Now let me speak. देखो बेटा, there is an operation used of plus. Here is an operation used of minus. ठीक है. Operation used of plus and minus. They both are opposite of each other. These two signs are opposite of each other. That plus, one is plus, then another is minus. So hold your hand and look here. Hold your arms and look here, everyone. No mics on, nothing. No work of the previous one. Look here on the board. That's it. Opposite. Plus, minus are opposite sign, or we can call them as inverse operation also. Inverse का meaning होता है opposite हो. If one is plus, another one is minus. अब देखो, if I told you
3 plus 2 का sum जो है it is 5. Sum is coming 5. Now the opposite of it. Wait a minute. Yeah, the opposite of it. That means the sum is becoming here minute. The sum is becoming here minute. And जो इनमें से बच रहा है वो subtract हो जा रहा है. और उसका जो difference आ रहा है, it is just another number जो रह गया remaining number. ठीक है. So what happened? Opposite and inverse. अगर हमें ये check करना है, suppose I've subtracted 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 का आंसर आ रहा है 3. अब मुझे चेक करना है मेरा आंसर ठीक आया है या नहीं आया. So what I will do, I will take these two numbers. Take these two numbers as addends. Addends, you know, 5 plus 3. That is 8. Okay. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. अब देखो, if my sum and minuend are same, then my answer is correct. Sum and minuend are same, then my answer is correct. Yes. और अगर wrong आएगा, then it is. अगर ये दोनों same नहीं आएंगे, then it will be wrong. कहीं मैंने mistake की है. ठीक है, a subtraction. So to check the subtraction that we have done the correct subtraction or not, use the opposite sign, that is the minus sign. Make use of this minus sign. हम क्या use करते हैं? Minus 5 use करते हैं. ठीक है. Suppose ये तो बहुत easy question है. I'm giving you a little bit difficult question and you want to know whether this answer is correct or not. For example, the number is 3, 4, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. You subtracted 8 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, and 3 minus 2, 1, 2. If I want to know whether my answer is correct or not, so what I will do, I will use the opposite of it. ये अगर इसे माइनस करके ये आंसर आया है तो इसे प्लस करके ये आंसर आना चाहिए. इन दोनों को प्लस करके ये आंसर आना चाहिए. So how will I check it? I will take this 1, 2, 3, 4 and I will add 2, 2, 2, 4. आप किसी में कुछ भी ऐड कर सकते हो. आप 2, 2, 4 में 1, 2, 3, 4 भी ऐड कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3 में 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 भी ऐड कर सकते हो. Why so? Why you can do this? ऐसे क्यों कर सकते हो? Because it is commutative. Commutative है. आप इसमें ये ऐड करो, इसमें ये ऐड करो. Answer will be same. 4 plus 4 8, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 3 4 5 8. See, is this answer is coming to equal to this? Yes, that means your answer is correct. Okay. Now let's start this question now. Open your maths fair notebook again. I hope everyone understood. Those who don't understood say no ma'am. Yes ma'am, I understood नहीं बोलना. जिसको नहीं समझ आया है, just simply say ma'am I don't understand. That's it.
No understand.
Who name? Tell me your name, beta.
Ma'am, that's Pratap Singh.
Daksh, beta listen. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? अगर आपने दो नंबर्स माइनस किए हैं, ठीक है, और आपको चेक करना है कि उसका आंसर ठीक आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, तो कैसे करोगे बताओ? आपने दो नंबर को माइनस किया. माइनस का उल्टा क्या होता है? What is the opposite of minus?
Plus.
प्लस. तो अब हम उसको प्लस करके देख लेंगे. ठीक है, वो जो माइनस हो रहा है उसको हम प्लस करके देख लेंगे. अंडरस्टूड दक्ष?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं आएगा अभी भी तो you can ask me. Okay दक्ष, न्यू पेज. क्योंकि माइनस का ऑपोजिट होता है प्लस. Okay, write exercise, new exercise it is I think exercise number wait a minute, it is 2.7.
Size of check you have tell us in the total
exercise
and there is
क्या बोल रहे हो भव्य? Right question.
Saying if we have to check subtraction, if we have to check plus, we have to subtract of the check, and if we have to
Yes.
minus, so we have to plus.
Okay, now switch off your mic. मैंने explain कर दिया ना, अब आपको explain करने की need नहीं है भव्य. Okay,
Let them do their work, otherwise they will get confused, other students. Find the difference of the following numbers. Okay. Beta, ये question थोड़ा lengthy है, okay? The question is lengthy. Nobody will leave these answers in between. Find the difference of the following numbers. Full stop. Okay. अभी ये question end नहीं हुआ. This question is quite lengthy. Check if the answer. Check if the answer is correct by showing क्या हो जाता है ये is correct by showing inverse operation between inverse operation between inverse operation किसको बोलते हैं inverse means opposite operation प्लस का opposite operation यहाँ वो subtraction का opposite operation क्या होगा यहाँ पर addition between addition and subtraction this is the whole question beta I don't think so you will be able to write the question one तब तक ये इतना सारा करके भी question पूरा लिख कर रखो do not divide the page into 4 equal parts just divide your page into 2 equal parts horizontally like this okay देखो how we will do this wait a minute
We only have 2 minutes.
I know very well I can see that
after doing you have to send on WhatsApp group.
हाँ बेटा अभी तो नहीं करो अभी तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा but हाँ ये वाला आपको send करना पड़ेगा because this is something new and you don't know how to write it so I would suggest you to send it on WhatsApp group so that I can once check कि आप कैसे कर रहे हो उसको 211, 3 4 5 ठीक है कैसे करोगे look here करना कैसे है write this question 5 2 5 first of all what is the question find the difference of following numbers so first of all we will find out the difference of these two numbers by subtracting it 2 1 1 3 4 5 okay now just subtract it and get your answer now whatever the answer will come you will add it with this number और यहाँ पर लिखोगे check यहाँ पर you will write here word check to check just write to check and start solving here you just check it to check यहाँ check करने के लिए क्या करोगे you will write 2 1 1 3 4 5 and you will add it with the number the answer which is coming of those two you will add it and you will find it is coming it will be same as it should be same as this one it should be same as it's this 5 to 5 wala it should be same as 5 2 5 1 0 4 it should be same okay or last me you will write yes answer is correct start doing jaldi se first question to you can do I suppose
Ma'am, there are how many questions?
there are 4 questions same
Ma'am, 4 questions.
yes अभी तो ये फर्स्ट वाला करा है ना हमने आप इसका डिफरेंस निकालो जस्ट फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस एंड फाइंड आउट राइट इट वेदर यू हैव डन और हाँ मैंने